In this video, we will talk about how to calculate PB ratio, and with the help of the PB ratio, we will find out multi-bagger stokes. We can find out. So, to find a multi-bagger stokes, first of all, you can do two types of analysis. One is technical analysis, second is fundamental analysis. Technical analysis is mainly for short term, maybe for few weeks or maybe for few months. For that you can check 3 months performance, last 3 months performance of a stock, and then you can also check the quarterly results, because quarterly results can be reflected into stocks market and its price. For example, if quarter to quarter results are going bad, then even good stocks can slide down, and vice versa. If quarterly results are good, then bad stocks can also outperform. PB ratio comes under fundamental analysis. So, and PB ratio, the full form is price to book ratio, and for that you need to know the market price per share, that you can easily know, and then divide it by book value per share. And this is the formula: book value is equal to face value plus reserve and surplus divided by the total share capital divided by face value. So this is very important. You need to know the reserve and surplus and total share capital and face value. So in this formula, I'm giving one example of Tata Chemical share. This you can take these values from balance sheet, consolidated or maybe upgraded one, the new one. So reserve and surplus is in crores and total share capital is 254 crores. So total share capital is divided by 10, then it will become 25.4, and then face value is as it is 10. So now total share capital divided by face value, I have written it as a 25.4. Then you need to divide again reserve and surplus by 25.4. The value is 333, and then face value as it is, face value plus what we have calculated now, it is 333. So book value is 348. And market price is 657. So PB ratio becomes 1.88. If your PB ratio is less, then you can understand that share is already very expensive. You should not buy it. Technically you should not buy it, but there are more factors which you can see. EPS, dividend yield, is also more important. So PB ratio is not the sole factor which decides future work of a stock. And anyway, I will let you know about the EPS and the dividend yield too. For example, I have given some example of the PB ratio. Videocon and HUL. HUL PB ratio is very high, so it means the price is very expensive, and Videocon is very cheap, it means price is very down and the PB ratio. So PB ratio wise, I think these are exceptions. Exception can always be there, but for me, if you want to find the good stocks, find the stocks that which has the PB ratio less than 5. This should be your target, less than 5 or maybe less than 6. Bajaj Finance Services is almost about the 5, and I think this is a good stock. So thanks for watching my channel, and you need not to subscribe it, but better you share your ideas, what are the stocks, the good stocks you can find out, and then share with me so that I can also make money. So thank you.